Hanggat naman hindi kinakailangan, sabi nga namin, hanggat pwedeng papabilisin namin. Pero kung sa tingin namin kinakailangan, we're still not discounting the fact that we might ask for that whole 2-hour video to be 2-hour 26-minute video.
Allegations po, ang response niyo po doon ay yung official context or the big context in the video. Yun nga po, yung Zuleika, yung Oplan Romanov. Pero in brief threats po kasi, tinitingnan din sa elements yung prior behavior doon. Tapos isa po sa mga possible witnesses ng prosecution ay yung sheriff po na sinuntok daw ni Vice President Sara Duterte. How will you reconcile that fact or respond to that?
The way I'll respond to that is once the witness is called, the offer is made. If we feel the need to object, of course, we will object to the purpose for the presentation of the witness. And kung hindi naman, we will be ready to cross-examine that witness.
Attorney, sa Monday, si Attorney Zuleika, no?
Tuesday po yata, bali sa...
Si Lotok sa Monday, and then si Captain Bello. Gaano kayo kahanda dun sa next week na leg natin?
Opo, handa naman po kami dahil expected na po yan. Lumabas na kasi sa pre-trial brief ng prosecution itong mga witnesses na ito. So tayo naman ay handa na as far as of course Agent Lotok, Agent Lotok and si Captain Bello, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, nandun na rin sila sa House Committee on Justice hearing. So we have prepared for them.
Kay Attorney Zuleika, anong inaasahan nyo na magiging testimony niya?
Well, that is for the prosecution kasi sila ang nagtawag kay Attorney Zuleika. So we will just be there to see if we need to ask further questions on Attorney Zuleika once the prosecution is done with their direct. We'll see if there's a need for us to cross-examine.
And you mentioned na alam na rin ni VP Sara na mapatawag si Attorney Zuleika.
Yes, yesterday, nung lumabas yung motion, nakatanggap kami ng kopya ng motion for issuance of subpoena, which included the name of Attorney Zuleika Lopez or Yusek Lopez, we have informed the Vice President of the same. And ano naman siya, as I told you earlier, yung reaction naman niya, wala naman siyang ganong reaction doon because I think everyone expected it naman, including the Vice President.
So yung pag-present natin kay Attorney Zuleika dun sa video, ano yung purpose natin?
I think na-mention na po kanina. Again, I'm really sorry. I cannot talk about the merits. So baka pwedeng balikan na lang natin na-mention naman kanina yan. No? But of course, one is context, hindi ba? But I guess to sum it up, it was the transcription. Diba? The accuracy in transcription. That's why ganun yung tanong ni Attorney CJ. But again, gusto ko lang kasi I'm worried that I'm courting contempt, no, whenever I answer your questions on substantive matters or at least matters on the merits. So I just wanted to just state for the record that I'm just trying to be factual and recount what happened inside without saying that we were able to prove this or that.
Attorney, sa tingin niyo po ba, well, of course, kahapon pinipilor si Attorney CJ Narvasa. Ngayon parang ang dating ngayon ay parang pinupuri siya ngayon for his cross. After the cross-examination, ano ang pakiramdam ni Attorney CJ Narvasa? Were you able to talk to him after the cross-examination?
Well, si Attorney Narvasa is a very level-headed person. So kung ano man ang mga batikos sa kanya kahapon, pagpuri ngayon, his disposition remains the same. I think sanay naman kaming mga abogado na you can never please everyone at any given time. I've been spokesperson for a few years and I have my group of bashers and group of friends. So we always support each other naman pagdating sa mga ganyan. But our disposition just be level-headed. Sabi nga natin, di ba, hindi tayo nagbibilang kung sinong panalo, sinong talo sa araw-araw because it will happen. There will be times that members of the public won't like what we do. There are times that members of the public would like it. So sa atin, we're just focus on our job and do the best we can to defend the Vice President.
Kanina parang narinig namin 10 out of 10 daw yung score ng mga taga-prosecution sa team nila. Kayo sir, anong score niyo?
Definitely, para sa akin, 10 out of 10 din. Score internally, meaning we're very happy that we hit our targets. But as to yung scoring on nanalo ba kami today or yesterday or ano, I really don't want to do that. As you can see, ang tanong sa amin kanina is bakit kami object kahapon. And then ngayon nakita nyo rin, puro objection rin ng prosecution. And I'm saying There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with the prosecution objecting. There's nothing wrong with us objecting. It's just lawyers doing their jobs.
Sir, pa-explain lang maigi yung 10 out of 10.
Because we had targets and we were able to meet our targets. So I think we accomplished a lot today.